Hello, welcome back to my channel. Again, one more video on profit and loss. I have already put two videos on profit and loss. Please watch that and come back and watch this, then only it will be easy for you to understand. There are basically six important formulas in the profit and loss chapter, and I have in this video I have dealt with some additional or some different problems on profit and loss. In those problems, we will be using all the formulas here. The first example. Oranges are bought at 6 for rupees 20 and sold at 4 for rupees 18. Find the gain or loss percentage. Okay, so now here the problem is the shopkeeper bought oranges, 6 oranges for 20 rupees and he sold it like 4 oranges for 18 rupees. So now we have to find out whether it is a gain or loss, and then we have to find out the gain or loss percentage. So now before writing the here directly we cannot write the given data. For that, what we are going to do, the cost price. Cost price is 6 oranges. The shopkeeper buys 6 oranges for rupees 20. And SP, selling price is 4 oranges for rupees 18. Okay, so now what we have to do, the number of oranges is 6 and 4, right? So these things we have to make it equal. The number should be equal for finding out the cost price. And see, for equating cost price and selling price, the number of the quantity of the material, or here the oranges, the number of oranges should be equal. So for that, what we have to do is we have to find out the LCM. LCM of 6 and 4. LCM of 6 and 4 is 24. So we have to find out the cost price of 24 oranges and the selling price of 24 oranges, and then we have to equate it. So now again cost price. What cost price now? 24 oranges cost price. So 24 oranges are bought for how much? So already 6 oranges are bought for 20 rupees, and 6 into 4 is 24. So here also 20 into 4. So CP is rupees 80. 24 oranges cost price is rupees 80. Same way, selling price. 24 oranges selling price we have to find out. What is that? Already we know 4 oranges selling price is rupees 18. 4 into 6 is 24. So here we have to multiply it with 6. We will get 108 rupees. So cost price is 80 and selling price is 108. So we know SP is greater than CP. That means the shopkeeper is getting a gain or profit. So now profit equal to 108 rupees minus 80 rupees, which is equal to 28 rupees. So the shopkeeper gets a profit or gain of 28 rupees by selling like this. Now we have to find out the gain or loss percentage. Now it is gain percentage only. Okay, gain percentage. Okay, here I use the word profit. So I use the word profit percentage equal to profit by cost price into 100. Okay, so profit is 28 and cost price is cost price of 24 oranges, because this profit 28 rupees we got only when he sold 24 oranges. So the cost price of 24 oranges should be taken. So it is 80 into 100. So this and this will be cancelled, and with the 2 if I cancel it will become 4 and it will become 5. Again if I cancel this and this, it will be 7. So we have 7 into 5. So now we have profit percentage is 35 percentage. So here the clue is we have to make the number of quantities equal. In the cars, when he buys, he bought it for 6 oranges, and when he sold it like 4 oranges. But we have to make it equal. For making it equal, we have to take LCM. Then the number of oranges will be equal. Then we have to compare them. The second example is if the selling price of a TV set is equal to 6 by 5 of its cost price, find the gain percentage. In this problem, they have not given the exact cost price, they have not given the selling price, only the relationship between the cost price and the selling price is given. That is, selling price is equal to 6 by 5 of its cost price. So now, how to find out this? If we don't know the cost price, then we can keep the cost price as rupees X. So what we are going to do, let the cost price be rupees X. We don't know, right? So that is why. Then, therefore, selling price. What is the selling price? It is 6 by 5 of cost price. So 6 by 5 of cost price is the selling price. So now selling price is greater than cost price. We know that because 6 by 5 means 6, the numerator is greater. Numerator is greater means it will be 1 by 5 like that. So 1 by 5 means it will be greater. Selling price is greater than the cost price. That is why here we will get gain. So gain is equal to, first we have to find out the gain, then we have to find out the gain percentage. Gain is SP minus CP. We know this. So SP is 6 by 5x minus CP is x. In this case, we will take what? LCM. So here 6x minus 5x. We will multiply this 5 with that x, so it will become. So now gain is rupees x by 5. Gain is rupees. Gain percentage is in percentage. Okay. So now gain is x by 5 rupees. Now we will find out gain percentage. What is the formula for gain percentage? Gain divided by CP into 100. This is the gain percentage. Now gain is x by 5. What is CP? Again it is x into 100. So this 5 will come down. So it will become x by 5x into 100. So this x and this x will get cancelled. You will be remaining, we will have 1 by 5 into 100. So this and this we will cancel and we will get 20. That means gain percentage is 20%. That's all. This is very simple. We have to keep, if unknown CP means, we have to keep it as X, and with the relationship, we will find out the SP, find out the gain, then find out the gain percentage. Third example. Sheila bought 2 pairs of jeans for rupees 1450 each. She sold one of them at a gain of 8% and the other at a loss of 4%. Find her gain or loss percentage in the whole transaction. So now we, on seeing this problem only, we know that Sheila will get a gain only because both both pairs of jeans are of the same price, and one was sold at a gain of 8% and another one was sold at a loss of 4%. That means there will be some in between, some gain only will be there. But directly we cannot calculate. We have to do the entire calculation to find the entire whole transaction gain or loss percentage. So now how to do this? 2 pairs of jeans. 2 pairs of jeans for 1450 each. So one jean is 1450 and another jean is also 1450. And first one we will do. Okay. So one of them was sold at a gain of 8%. The first gene was sold at a gain of 8%. Therefore, SP of the first gene. In this problem, we will be using many formulas together. So now we know the cost price of one gene and the gain percentage. So SP we have to find out using cost price and gain percentage. So that is 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100 into CP. This formula we will be using to find out the selling price. So 100 plus gain percentage is 8 divided by 100 into CP is 1450. Each gene is costing that. Okay, before cancelling. 108 divided by 100 into 1450. So this 0 and this 0 we can cancel. Then we can cancel this and this with the 5. So it will be 29. Then this and this we can cancel. It will become 54. So we have 54 into 29. So that is equal to 1566. So this is the selling price of first gene. The first gene was bought at a rupees 1450 and it was sold at a gain percentage of 8%. So the selling price of first gene is 1566. Okay, now we will do the selling price. Find out the selling price of second gene. Here it was at a loss of 4%. Okay, so now again this is SP is equal to, this is loss. So 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100 into CP. So now 100 minus loss percentage is 4 divided by 100 into CP is 1450. This gene is also bought for the same price. So now when you reduce this, this will become 96 by 100 into 1450. We will cancel this. This 0 and this 0 will be cancelled and this will be cancelled in and then this and this will be cancelled. It will become 48. We have 48 into 29. So the selling price of the second gene is 1392. It is sold at a loss. So the selling price will be lesser than the cost price. Now we have to find out whether it is gain or loss. So for that we have to find out the total CP. Two genes were bought, right? So one gene for 1450, another gene for 1450. So together that girl would have paid 2900 for buying that two genes. Now same way we have to find out the total SP. The first one was sold for 1566 and the second one was sold for 1392. When you add this, we are adding this, okay? So when you add this, we will get 2958. So now SP is greater. SP is greater than CP. Therefore, gain. The girl would have ended up getting a gain. Gain is, what is gain? SP minus CP. What is SP? 2958. We have to compare both the genes. Here they have asked the whole transaction only. So both the genes SP minus both the genes CP, that is 2900. So the gain is 58 rupees. So the gain is 58 rupees. But they have asked gain percentage. So gain percentage is equal to gain divided by CP into 100. So gain is 58 rupees for CP is 2900, the entire one. Okay. So now these twos will be cancelled. This is 1 and 2. Okay. So gain percentage is 2%. So the girl has bought two jeans and she's sold it, one for a gain of 8%, another she sold it for a loss of 4%. Overall that girl got 2% gain. The fourth example is, by selling 45 lemons, a vendor loses a sum equal to the selling price of 3 lemons. Find his loss percentage. This model is a very important model in case if you are writing 8th grade, 9th grade like that, because this question will be repeatedly asked in the exam. So now here we don't know what is the selling price, what is the cost price, and nothing we know. So, and then here in this problem they have told us about the selling price only. By selling 45 lemons, the vendor loses the selling price of 3 lemons, all that. So here we will keep X as the selling price. X be the selling price of 1 lemon. So we are keeping X as selling price of 1 lemon. So therefore, how many lemons are there? 45 lemons. So SP of 45 lemons, selling price of 45 lemons is equal to rupees 45x. 1 lemon is x rupees. So 45 lemons are 45x rupees. Now what is that other thing given? Loss. Loss is equal to, what is the loss? SP of 3 lemons is the loss. SP of 3 lemons is 3x. 1x is 1 lemon's selling price. So 3 lemon selling price is 3x rupees. Now we have to find out the cost price of all the lemons. Okay. So cost price of the lemons is equal to SP plus loss. So SP plus loss, this is SP is 45x plus loss is 3x. So total CP is 48x. When SP and loss are given, then CP is equal to SP plus loss. So now CP of the lemons is 48 rupees. Now we have to find out the loss percentage. We have already found out the loss here. That is why we are not finding out loss here. Directly we have to find out the loss percentage. Loss percentage is loss divided by CP into 100. Loss is 3x. CP is 48x into 100. This x and this x will get cancelled here. Then 48 will become 24, this will become 50, and again if I cut it will become 25, and this 3 and this 12 will be cut. Now we have 25 by 4 percentage. So now 25 by 4 will be 6 1 by 4 percentage loss. This problem is very important in case if you are writing 8th standard, 9th standard class. Continue watching my channel. If you like, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.